Hi, Kushi.
Hello, mom.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, mom. Thank you so much.
How are you feeling?
Um, I can't register it. I still haven't registered it.
Even we could not. I just came to know right now, and ma'am just shared that screenshot of the newspaper. I was like, oh my god, ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है like you feel like jumping है ना? You feel like appreciating every moment. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm feeling so proud that someone has got such a remarkable achievement. So beautiful. And first of all, बड़ा सा congratulations.
thank you so much, mom. Thank you so much.
कैसा लगा न्यूज़पेपर में अपना नाम देखकर और एनआईडी मेंस 2021 में ऑल इंडिया रैंक वन देखकर?
Ma'am, I did not see the article because we read Digi News. We don't have a newspaper coming to our place. So my grandfather saw it online, and my friends sent me screenshot, like
Which
photographs.
newspaper? Yes, would like to share which newspaper?
Times of India.
Yeah, so you know what's Times of India, right? Okay, yeah, please.
So I was like ये क्या किया स्कूल ने because the school got the article published.
Okay, so school
Yeah,
got it published. So school
yeah.
is also very proud of Kushi Purohit, right?
I was the head girl of the school, that's why.
And when
So
did
it
you
was kind of a
see?
big deal for them.
Ocha, head girl of your school. So
Yeah, I
which
was the head
school?
girl.
You are from which school?
Navrachna Sama,
And where is it?
Vadodara.
Okay, so Vadodara, Gujarat, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
AFA's material was top notch. And I mean, anybody who asks me na, ki if we want to publish one set of books, which one should we purchase? I used to tell them, for creative tests, they take AFA. Everybody who asks me, I tell them that for NID and NIFT, AFA has the best material. The
Oh
best.
my
I mean,
God, that's like a compliment, seriously. So I have been teaching for more than 15 years, and speaking to you feels like having a compliment. Okay, so that's lovely, that's lovely. But still, chalo, apart from this, अब थोड़ा सा आपके बारे में बात करते हैं because you have become, a source of motivation for all youngsters right now. All right. Okay. So first, I would like to know something about you precisely, everything like your school, your hobbies, how did you prepare, your parents, how did they support you, everything.
okay. So, I was I decided I wanted to be a designer at a very young age. I was professionally I want to go into design industry. What in that was came later, but I had decided when I was in my fifth grade that I want to be a designer, and my parents were both very supportive because my father wanted to pursue design. He wanted to go into advertising and stuff like that, but back then it was a risky industry, and not everybody was treading into that. So under peer pressure and parental pressure, he did the CA. So that's why both my parents were very supportive, that they knew I had the genes for it that came from my father, and I was anyways passionate about it. So after I started, exploring art and design and drawing and everything in my early schooling, it was very clear to my teachers also that she is a creative child. So be it writing plays in school or editing the magazine or coming up with ideas for competitions, everywhere I used to step front and I used to take all the responsibility. So after I reached 10th, I decided that I'll take humanities. So my subject in school was humanities. I was studying throughout from 3rd to 12th. I studied in Navrachna in Vadodara. And before that, I was with this other institute, school, DPS. But those were my main two schools, and majorly Navrachna. So in 10th, I was clear that I want to take humanities. And Navrachna is like one school in Gujarat which offers a lot of options for humanities students. So even in subject preferences, we had options like fashion design, commercial arts, and very interesting subjects, web applications, entrepreneurship. So my subjects were psychology, English, web applications, entrepreneurship, and commercial arts. And I was studying graphics at Arena Animation while I was
All
preparing
right. All right.
my school thing. And I started my preparation for NID in 11th end. So 11th end, we were looking for institutes. Now AFA was in Delhi. So it was, my mom was really, she talked to a few of your academicians, and, she got the books, fine say. But like, because it was in Delhi, we were even thinking, I'll come to my Masi. She lives in Delhi. So we were thinking, कि ऐसा कुछ करेंगे, but then COVID. So nothing we could do. And then I got books. So for my preparation, I got books from all possible institutes around the country. And other than that, I was training with my art sir in my school. So he used to, review all my paperwork and help. He used to really help me out. And he was a very creative person on his own. So like, he was my main mentor throughout my preparation. And that was how I used to prepare. Like, I used to give all, I dedicated my entire 12th standard time, online time, to NID preparation. I was not looking at anything else. I
You
mean,
are
even,
totally focused about tonight.
yeah, my mom was the one who used to keep me on track. I used to move around a lot, ki, ye bhi kar lete hai, ye bhi kar lete hai. But she was like, can I be very focused? And all my institutes, all my teachers, all study material, everything helped me a lot. And then I used to explore extra also. So I used to do events and challenges, like events like Inktober, and challenges like, say, the 100 Paces challenge, or document all seasons challenge, and stuff like that. So I used to
That's
draw a lot. And all that really helped for my preparation. About me and my hobbies, I would say, I read a lot. I really like to read, and fiction, non-fiction books, everything. I read, I draw, I listen to music, I sketch, I watch movies. I love to watch movies and TV shows. I mean, Netflix was my go-to when I was exhausted. And yeah, I mean, overall, I've always been this really chill person. I don't take things very seriously. I mean, I do like to take responsibility, but then it's always been uh, take as things come your way. So I in 11th, I had gotten this opportunity to, do upcycling. So I had given a TED talk on the same. I had done a lead project on the same. So even that helped out a lot. And then being the face of my institution gave me a lot of confidence boost, that, you don't have to be afraid of the way you look or the things you do, or nobody's perfect. So everything,
I
I think,
feel,
overall it
I
was,
think whatever we expect in a good student, I mean, I feel whatever I lecture in the class, you are repeating the same thing as a student. You know? So that's lovely. I'm really enjoying whatever you are saying, and I'm going to share this video, with all the current design aspirants who are preparing right now. So that's lovely.
yeah.
So, which stream, like, what do you want to become? Which designer you want to become in your near future?
Okay, this is since you're going to share this with other kids also, I'm going to say this very
Yes.
honestly. I don't know. So I knew that I was a creative person and I want to go into, the design industry. And I was very clear that I don't want to do fashion, because it's really not my jam. I'm the kind of person who roams around in sweatpants all day. So don't talk fashion to me. Meko brands bhi nahi pata. I am that bad at it. So uh, I was very clear that I don't want to do fashion, but I was exploring planning, urban planning and urban designing. I was exploring interior, and my main focus was communication designing, because like my core strengths which my parents identified, my teachers identified. They were like, you should become a communication designer.
Communication.
Yeah. So keeping that in mind, the advantage that NID has over all other design colleges, uh, take NIFT or any other private, say Srishti, MIT, whatever, they don't offer you a lot of flexibility in changing your course. So uh, in NID, your foundation year is your foundation year. You don't have a course. You don't know what you'll be doing. And I think that's the best part, because I was asked this question in my interview also, that
Mm.
what does NID offer you that other colleges don't?
Oh,
And
that's lovely.
yeah, and I said this, that I pointed out a lot of things, that it is an institute of national importance, it has a creative environment and everything. But the main thing was that even if I want to change my course, say 2 years down the line, I want to shift from communication, I feel like I don't want to do this, I want to do something else, they'll be giving me that flexibility to do what I like to do. And that is the main thing. Like, if you want to be a designer, you should just go for it. Like, do what you feel like when you feel like it, and all things will come your way. So I've not fixed on a course yet, but I think my teachers at NID, they're going to guide me.
Yeah, of course. So an ID is giving you that flexibility that after 1 year, after exploring the complete 1 year as your foundation program,
Yeah.
they will suggest you and they will
Yeah.
judge you that you're
Yeah.
perfect for which course. So let's hope you get that. Yeah. Right. So that's lovely. What kind of sketches you used to make? Because you are a creative person.
I had them somewhere.
Yeah, I would like to see that.
I mean, when I'm annoyed, I used to love making mandalas. So I used to make stuff like this.
Oh.
Yeah. So this I used to do for myself. I mean, there's not a lot of creativity that goes into it. You can give it a theme, but then that's about it. So stuff like this I used to do for myself. For NID, I started with questions. So they used to say ki, give alternative uses for, say, a sharpener. So I used to solve a lot of questions, a lot of creative questions. And I used to sketch, I used to sketch like this, not very detailed, just like put your thought on paper. And I was never very good at drawing. Like, I was decent at it. So I used to take sketching classes also. So my teacher used to teach me stuff like perspective. So I used to do a lot of perspective. I used to do a lot of object drawing. So this is just my preparation sketchbooks. These are like the ones I used for my preparation. Animals. So I used to sketch a lot of animals, a lot of humans, a lot of, you know,
So somewhat like fundamentals, and once you
yeah,
use these
yeah,
skills for solving the questions, solving the question is very important actually to figure out what is expected from you.
yeah. More than your solution, when you read a question, if you know what they are trying to judge in that question and you approach it that way, it automatically becomes a lot more easy. So I'll just give an example.
Oh,
We had this question in our paper wherein we were asked to draw the scene of an online classroom. Okay, so you are a student, you are attending a class on, say, whatever device, and there is a door given to us, a pre-made door. And they said, "Ki now sketch out your view while you're attending your class, online class. Your sibling is coming and troubling you. So you have to sketch that entire scenario out." So when I read the question, I knew that this is going to judge two things primarily. One, my line work, my sketching skill, and two, my observation.
my
So
thought process, yes.
yeah, yeah. And what matters most in NID is the art of storytelling. If you can convey a story through something that is purely based off sketching, then I feel that is something that they're looking for. Because what happened with me was, when I started drawing, I did not really have like a concrete plan in mind. I was just sketching. So I started with my desk. My desk is super cluttered. It has like so many things going on. And I made all of those things. So I made like a lot of pen stands, one with paint brushes, one with pencil colors, one with pens, one with like my desk. I made my desk. And when I sit for online classes, I have pen drives and wires and everything coming out of everywhere. So I made that also. Even my device. So India has the QWERTY keyboard. We use the QWERTY keyboard. So I wrote the alphabets on the keys also because I see it every day. So I should know what the order is. And that is, putting those stickers also. Your gadgets have stickers of Intel, of Acer, Nitro, whatever. And mine had a NVIDIA sticker and an Intel sticker. So I made that sticker also.
Observation, very strong
Everything that you
observation.
can put, you put, and then you add a story to it. So you put your stuff. And then my sister, I made her wearing those big glasses and a joker wala cap and a joker wala nose, and she was saying, look what dad got for quarantine games. So
I really feel like seeing your answer. So how to do that? You tell me.
I don't have it with me, obviously. What I
So
can do
you
is I
can
can sketch it out
later
and
on. Yeah,
share it.
sure,
Yeah.
sure, sure. Would like to
So,
see that. What did you sketch? The way you are speaking. So I would again, I will ask each and every student to listen to your answer word by word. So that's lovely,
it's
brilliant, good.
it's very like everything till the last day I was learning something new, because I used to take my solutions to my professor and I used to show it to him. So the last day, like before my paper, he told me, if you don't use typography in your paper, you don't come and talk to me. I will not talk to you. Because
Good.
he was so dedicated that I mean, I'm grateful to have had teachers like him, because till the last day he was like, ye karna, ye bhulna mat. And keep thinking, keep be on your feet, be creative. You don't have to be completely out of the box. You can mix and match and play around and whatever. So it was overall, it was like a great journey. And I had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. Even while preparing, I used to, I found my strengths while I was preparing for NID. So earlier
What do
I
you
was,
think? What do you think they were your strengths?
so this was one of my first posters. NID, the first paper I solved, the first mock test that I solved had a question that, make a poster of an old age home, for an old age home. So I made this. This was one of my first solutions for my first mock test that I ever solved. And when I made this, my I fixed, it was my strength. So I had decided that whatever, if at all I'm given the opportunity to make, say, a cartoon character, I will use it. So because I identified my strength as pen work. I was good at pen work. So most of my additional work, that I put in my portfolio. So stuff like this, it is all pen work.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So I recognized my strength as pen work, and not, I was, like I said, I was never an artist. I did not paint or sketch, or realism was not my thing. And when I realized that, I knew that this is what I have to stick with for my paper also, at least. Because when you play on your strengths in your paper, they get to know that, okay, this guy or this person has this particular style of doing things. I mean, I was looking for my style the entire time I was preparing, because I used to see students at NID and I used to be so inspired, because each of them had like their own way of doing things. And I think the key to do cracking the exam is being yourself on paper and doing what you do best. So uh, when I found out that pen work is my strength, I solved almost all my questions with a pen or a pencil. That's it. Like color, it's not my thing. I cannot color. I am a digital artist. I work digitally more than I work on paper. So uh, for me, it was like, I don't want to do coloring and stuff like that. So even if I had like a lot of time on hand, I had a poster on bullying. So it was black and white, and just like one outline of a human figure was in red. and the word crime. I had put a caption, stop this tagging game in time, know that bullying is a crime.
Do
So-
share your portfolio also.
Yeah, definitely, I will.
You know, so
Definitely.
we would also like to keep a record of your portfolio and we would show it to the students. Last year also we had some students, those were shortlisted. So I have the portfolio, so we'll show that to all the design aspirants. So any message you would like to give to all the design aspirants who are, they want to make your design dream come true right now?
What I can say is there are two kinds of people. One are born designers. They are meant to do it and they are exceptional at it. For them, cracking NID is not cracking. It's like it's de diya paper ho gaya types. But then there are other students like me. For students like me who want to do this and really want to do this, I would say prepare for NID the way an IITian prepares for JEE. It demands that kind of effort. Unless you give it that kind of effort, it is. I mean, I'm not kidding. My batchmates, we made a group on Instagram for all NID students, and my batchmates are so talented. And when I look at their work, I sometimes feel like, "Kaise ho gaya ye?" Like, how am I amongst these guys? But then, when you put in that kind of hard work and with just a little bit of luck on your side, you can do anything. So my message is prepare for NID the way IITians prepare for JEE. Because I used to put 8 hours a day in my preparation. I only did this. I kicked everything aside and I was ki bas NID matlab abhi, this is it.
AFA would also like to present a token of appreciation to you. So for that, we would like to have your address and we would also appreciate in our social media. So we would like to have a good photograph of yours. Okay. And I'll just announce one more thing because you gave us such a beautiful proud moment. So we are going to refund whatever amount you paid to AFA. So you need to give us your account number also.
Oh my God.
I mean, it's something which is nothing in front of your achievement. But still, we would like to do that. So I
Sure,
hope.
Mom. I'll get it through from Mom.
And one more thing which I would like to say that all the best and we wish you all success and I feel many more prestigious moments come ahead in your life and you keep on sharing and such kind of moment with number of people. All right, so give my heartiest congratulations to your parents also.
Sure, definitely. I'll put it through.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mom.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.